Class 5. In today's video we will do the questions of the poem The Long Way Home by C.J. Tennis. These are the questions you have. Okay, I have written the answers and I'll explain them to you. Okay, it's the poem. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Why don't you come through Mr. Duncan's land? Now, who said these words and to whom? The mother said these words to the poet. You can also write here the boy, to the boy. But it should be much apt if you write like this and write the name of the poet also. Okay. Second question, it also refers to this line. Why did the speaker suggest this? She. Okay, who is she here? The mother. She suggested the way through Duncan's land because it was shorter than the way which was taken. जो उसने वे लिया था ना उस वे से जो डंकिन्स लैंड वाली जो वे था वो शॉर्ट था. That's why. Next, why did you think about this suggestion? So what was the suggestion? This is the suggestion. Why don't you come through Mr. Duncan's? Okay. So the suggestion was acceptable. Good. The suggestion was good because it was the shortcut, na? It was the shortcut. Mr. Duncan's land was the short way to his home, but he has taken the way to Duncan's land, which was longer than that. Now, the next question. Why does the boy take the long way home? The boy takes the long way home because, why I have written takes here? Because in question we have does and it's in simple present tense. The boy singular, that's why I use the helping verb does. Does is there, so we just write the verb in the simple present tense. The boy takes the long way home because he was afraid from Mr. Duncan's dog. Duncan's का जो dog है वो बहुत हॉरिबल है, उससे वो अफ्रेड होता है, डरता है. ठीक है, पोएट. नाउ मूविंग टू द जस्ट किड्स, यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड चेक योर आंसर्स एंड यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट whatever you like. Now moving to the next question, here we have, why do you think Ma asked him to take the footbridge track? Here we have this question we have. Yeah, why does he say Ma doesn't and Ma asked him to take the footbridge track? Okay. The footbridge track enables him to cross the wet or muddy land easily. That's why Ma asked him to take it. Now, what's the footbridge track? Footbridge क्या होता है? जहाँ पे जब बारिश होती है तो पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है बहुत सारा, तो उस वे को ट्रैवल करने के लिए लोग क्या करते हैं, कुछ पत्थरों से एक ऐसा ही टेम्पररी वे बना देते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द फुटब्रिज ट्रैक. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा ब्रिज जैसा. Okay, why does he say? Okay, this track enable him to cross wet or marshy land easily. उस वे से आता तो आराम से wet और marshy land को cross कर पाता. That's why Ma asked him to take it. Now, why does he say Ma doesn't understand? He says Ma doesn't understand because she doesn't know that the boy was afraid of Duncan's dog. वो कहता है पोएट एक लाइन में, माँ को कुछ पता नहीं है, माँ doesn't understand. ऐसा क्यों कहता है? क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं है कि वो, मम्मा को पता नहीं है कि वो डॉग से बहुत डरता है जो डंकिन्स के घर पे है. ओके. Why does he say why does he like to cross the fallen log? Fallen log को क्रॉस क्यों करता है? ये पोएट जो है फुट ब्रिज ट्रैक को क्रॉस नहीं करता, फॉलन लॉग को क्रॉस. लॉग क्या होता है? एक जो बड़ा सा ये लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है ना, इसको हम कहते हैं फॉलन लॉग, क्योंकि इस पे देखो लिजर्ड है. इसको अच्छी लगती हैं लिजर्ड्स. ओके, मैं तो बहुत डरती हूँ लिजर्ड से. जस्ट सी. So he likes to play with the lizards on that fallen log, so he crosses it. Okay, like to play with the lizards. What would happen if he crosses the creek? The creek was deep and floody. अब creek क्या होता है? एक छोटा सा नाला बन जाता है जब बारिश होती है तो रोड पर कहीं पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है उसे कहते हैं. द क्रीक वॉज डीप एंड फ्लडी थ्रू आउट द वे, so he might be all muddy when passing through it. His mother would be annoyed with him. So he said, one more reason he just gave to his mother, that was that he doesn't अगर वो क्रॉस करता है इस क्रीक को तो उसके जो क्लॉथ्स हैं वो पूरे मडी हो जाते हैं, पूरे मिट्टी से गंदे हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आई हैव मेड सम एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर यू so that you can easily understand the poem, and it's not in your book actually, but I had made this for you so that you can easily understand the poem. I cannot go that way. Okay, these are the lines from the poem. Okay, children, now when you are grown up, you have to write the reference and explanation also for the poems. Now what is reference? Reference means we have to write the name of the poem and the source and the name of the poet. Okay, source means हम इस वे में लिखते हैं. ये इसलिए है ताकि आपको मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवा सकूं कि रेफरेंस क्या होता है, एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या होता है. ये लाइंस पोएम से ली हुई है. दीज लाइंस हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम द लॉन्ग वे होम, composed by C.J. Dennis. The poem has a humorous tone. पोएम जो है ना ह्यूमरस है, हंसाने वाली पोएम है थोड़ी. Now its explanation. Once the poet went to his friend's house. While he was returning, he had taken the long way to his home. जब वापस आ रहा था ना तो शॉर्टकट नहीं लेता है, लॉन्ग कट ले लेता है, जिससे वो लेट घर पहुंचता है. He could not go through the short way because he was afraid of the Duncan's dog. Okay, now is the main idea and theme of the poem. Now I hope you can get everything. Okay, I'll just show you again everything. Here we have. Okay, just pause the video and do your work. Okay, have a nice day, kids.